What's up guys, Eric here. Today I'll be going to unbox the Moyu RS3M 2020. So let's get right into it. So first, starting with the box have a pretty nice looking, it's a pretty nice looking box, and yeah. Let's take the plastic off, and here is the box. Seems it opens sideways like that. Here we have a cube, a Moyu stand, cube stand for the cube, and also a accessory box, and this is pretty much it. So let's start looking at what is inside the accessory box. We have a screwdriver, cards, lots of cards, and here we have this adjusting tool for the door adjusting system. Yeah, and also a tutorial for how to solve a 3x3. So now to the cube itself. So here's the cube, and first off, looking the color shades. For the yellow, orange, green is a little bit darker. The red is also okay, fine. Yeah, so it's pretty nice, this color scheme, and let's do some first turns. Falls back to the beginning. So my favorite setting is the 6